Hey there, coding champs! Welcome to day 10 of our Python coding extravaganza. Today, we're diving into the realm of finance, because who said programming can't be as thrilling as counting money? In this, we'll tackle a real-world problem that involves handling cash and optimizing distribution. In today's Python coding challenge, we'll be writing a program that calculates the minimum number of 500, 50, 10, and 1 rupee notes required for a given amount. This program is a great exercise to enhance your programming skills, especially in dealing with calculations and iterations. The program takes user input for the amount in rupees. It then calculates the minimum number of each note denomination, 500, 50, 10, and 1 rupee, required to make up that amount. The result is presented in a formatted string, displaying the count of each note denomination. Subscribe to our channel for daily Python coding challenges and tutorials. Turn on notifications to never miss an update.